Hi, today I want to share with you this card that I made for my son. He is studying digital visual effect in Vancouver, and he will be graduating in April, and the graduation ceremony will be in June. And this card is based on one of the assignments that my son did. This card is finished in early January, but I won't post this video until April so that my son will have a surprise. I'll try the mechanism of the cover page and the double page flip stage inside separately so that the videos won't be too long. This is the dummy of the cover page. I drew a turning wheel as large as possible with a hub at the center. Then I used tracing paper so that I can see the turning wheel underneath and decide the length of the lightsaber. Then I drew the lightsaber and roughly sketched the image. I cut out the lightsaber part, traced the outline on the turning wheel, and then mark the area that will be colored. So this part will be colored as the lightsaber. Say if the lightsaber is purple, then this part will be colored as purple and the rest will be black. And I cut an arc slightly smaller than the turning wheel and made this tab, and this is glued on the turning wheel so that I can turn it, and you can see the area that I marked from here to here. You see the line here? Tracing paper because I can see the lines underneath. So you can see these are the lines are marked, and this is the area that will be colored. And I have to try this because I came up with this mechanism by myself and I don't know whether it really works. I'll transfer the rough position of the whole image, like the position of the lightsaber, the hands, and the head, onto cardstock or paper. That will be the cover page of the whole card. Since the underlying page is already a little bit curved due to the thickness, so when I glued on this cover, I didn't glue the whole piece directly on it. I made 4 pieces like this and fold it up and glue it like this. So this surface will glue with the cover, and this surface will glue with this base page. And it's the same for the 4 corners, so that there will be enough space underneath for the turn wheel to move smoothly. Let me tell you how to make the turning wheel. This is the base page, and I have to make a hub. I'll show you in a minute how to cut it. And suppose this is the turning wheel. The inner circle of the hub is the same size as this one. Okay, this will be the hub. There are 2 circles, as I said just now. The size of the inner circle is the same as the hole in this turning wheel. And you can decide the size of the hub depending on the situation, how large you can fit in the card. Of course, the larger it is more sturdy and stronger, but it will also create larger friction. you cut wedges like this. Oh, I didn't cut it right this time. Never mind. And then fold approximately at the line of the inner circle like this. I know that some people like to cut very thin strips, but I think that is not sturdy enough. It will tear easily. So I like to make it like this. And then you glue it on the base page like so. Flip these two wedges up. It will just fit in the hole in on the turning wheel like this. And so you can see it is turning. You may also want to add a hubcap the same size as the hub. Oops, too much glue. Don't put it on the turn wheel. And this way, the friction with the page on top will be smaller. I made the tab double thickness, and it is glued to the turning wheel like so. And when the top page is added, I know that the cut or the slit is here, the circular slit is here. Then I make a fold here, and then fold it back just by about 1 mm like so, so that it won't catch on with the top page like so. And the range of the slit, the circular slit, is when I drew the line from here across to the other side of the circle or the turning wheel is here. So the slit will be here plus half the width of the tab. And also here, when I go all the way here, then I drew a line across to here and also add half the width of this tab. After I finished this card, my husband said that it would be nice to add a motherboard on the head. So I agreed with him, and so I made this one so that I could write some messages. And I had some magnets here and also underneath, so that he can either stick it on or he can take it off. And because I used a very thick cardstock, so it can't close properly, I had to make a cut, a slit, and then add one more piece with this flap here, so that it can close shut like this. For the tassel, I made a video a while ago, and I will put the link down below, and you can refer to it to see how to make the tassel.